Hello everyone. Today we are going to work with Cambridge Global English 5. We are going to start with Unit 1, Lesson 1. We are going to talk about our personalities. We are gonna do a personality quiz. We are going to interview our partners about their lives, and we are going to write a profile, my page profile. We will also read a poem about special people. Kindly concerning all your lessons with me, I hope that all the time that you prepare your books with you, your learner's book and your activity book. This time you are going to prepare your books and also your notebook and your pen. I hope that you prepare your books on page 6 and 7 and your activity book on pages 4 and 5. What are we going to learn today?
Listening, listen for information, listen and match. Speaking, practice theme vocabulary, talk about yourself. Reading, read for gist, read a diary entry. Critical thinking, discuss personality, awareness of self. Vocabulary, adjectives to describe personality, opposites. Confident, lazy, generous, cheerful, bad-tempered, selfish, tidy, nervous, shy, untidy, hardworking, outgoing. Materials. A few pictures of people in different situations, dictionaries.
As you see here, that all are we going to care about is you. We care about you, about your personality, how to speak about yourself. So what I want you to learn in this time is listen to some information about people talking about themselves and things like that. You learn from that. And then you are going to speak about yourself. So this time, all I care about is you. And then we are going to take some of the critical thinking. Look here. What is he like? I mean, you can describe him. Is he happy? Angry? Bad-tempered? Remember that we cannot always judge someone's personality from the way he or she looks. But let's look at this boy. How he likes. Yes, he is shy. How about this one? How do you see him? Yes, he is bad-tempered. What is she or he like? Yes, he's hard-working, as you say. Okay, how about this lovely one? Yes, he is a cheerful. I hope that you are cheerful all the time. How about this one? Look at the photo. He's helping someone. So what do we call him? You are helping someone, so you are generous. Okay? How about this boy? Look at the picture. He is confident. This means he has got self-trust. How about this boy? He's tidy. You see, he's wearing a lovely thobe. Remember, and this is something I care very much for, the critical thinking. I remember that we can't always judge someone's personality from the way he looks or she looks. We have to look at the inner side. Talk about it, reflect on this and give honest answers. I hope all the time you are staying at home now, learning. So it's very easy now, just give honest answers. All the time give honest answers. Alright? Now open your books on this page, talk about it. What are you like? So this is your time. What are you like? Think about adjectives to describe yourself. For example, give examples like, I think I'm generous, I think I'm kind, I think I'm lazy, if you are honest with yourself. saying that because, and give me the reason. I hope that my advice to you is to focus on the positive aspects of your personality. You may ask yourself questions. If you don't find the idea or what to say about yourself, you can ask yourself questions. For example, what would you do if a friend needs help? Are you going to help him? Yes, you are helpful. You are generous. For example, you can say, I think I'm helpful because I help people, and so on. Now, look at the picture and try to describe what the children are doing. What are all these children are doing? My advice to you, whenever you have pictures in a lesson, try to focus in this picture. Because a picture has got 1,000 tongues, so you can look at every person of this. Try to feel how this boy looks, for example. Is he happy or bad-tempered? This girl, she's hard-working or lazy? And so on. Is this boy tidy or untidy? And so on. Just to try to look, take your time, pause the video, and study this picture and come back to me. Now, focus on the adjectives and the box here. And try to find children in the picture who match the adjectives. For example, here you have confident. Which one is confident? Tidy. Which one is tidy? Generous. Which one of them is generous? Shy, bad-tempered, hard-working. Now you are going to pause the video again. Try to give a picture for everyone. You can use your notebook to write this. You can number them. Number 1, number 2, number 3. And then you write the numbers and the adjectives. Take your time. Now, we are going to listen to the speakers describe the children. Then, use the adjectives to describe each child. The same picture, we are going to listen to the speakers. So, listen very well for this. You will find the listening CD on the back of the book.
Track 2.
What always surprises me about my granddaughter is the way in which she loves to take center stage. She doesn't get nervous at all and seems quite at home speaking to lots of people.
I just don't understand why he gets so angry. If we don't pass him the ball all the time, he just stops playing and walks off the football field.
I really admire my friend Aisha. She's so studious. She loves learning about new things and always has her head in a book. Needless to say, she always gets top marks in class.
Camilla is my best friend. She's such a kind, generous person. We share everything. Our pencils, our pens, our secrets, and our sweets and chocolates, of course. Come on, Natasha. Why are you hiding? It's my friend. She's just saying hello to you.
Cheng is a very tidy person. He always tidies up his bedroom and puts his food wrappers and empty bottles in the bin in the park.
Now I hope that we are going to, you open your activity books, okay, on page 4, because we have this exercise. You are going to try to find and circle the adjectives. Okay, ready? So here we are gonna find some of the words here, or all the words if you can. Alright, for example, here we have the word selfish, S-E-L-F-I-S-H. We have the word cheerful. Try to find more words. You are gonna cross it. Okay, we also have the word confident, for example. You are going to go on trying to find these words as homework for yourself. Thank you. This one is going to help you. These sentences, these 5 sentences, first, number 1, I've got a test today. I'm feeling very nervous. Try to understand the meaning of the sentence. This is gonna help you to find the word. My grandma tells people I'm very hardworking. Why did we choose hardworking? Because he said, because I'm always studying. Alright, so you are going to go on trying to find the other words. Remember that you have answers by the end of this video. Today we are going to study antonyms. What is an antonym? An antonym is a word that is opposite in meaning to another. For example, you have the word bad, you have the word good. So antonym is the opposite of another word. This is the antonym of this, bad and good. Cold and hot. If you want more example for antonyms, look at this. For example, happy and sad, they are antonyms. Big and small, they are antonyms. You have hot and cold. You have fast and slow. Wet and dry. Black and white. Nervous, relaxed. You see here, relaxed. We say ta, okay? Clean and dirty. Sick and healthy, and so on. These are all antonyms. We also have dangerous and safe, generous and selfish, cheap and expensive, lazy and hardworking, and so on. So many antonyms. Try to find some antonyms, you know, alright? Try to recall, remember some words that are antonyms. You can stop the video anytime and trying to do this in your notebook. Okay, now match the adjectives with their opposite meaning. Use your dictionary to help you. I prefer that you make a vocabulary book. And this vocabulary book, because we are just lesson 1. So if you keep it from now and you start writing your vocabulary now, this is going to help you. You will get a dictionary by the end of this Global 5. Okay? So here the word confident. For more practice, kindly go to your workbook, page 5. You are going to find these adjectives. Try to find and match the adjectives to their opposite meaning. Alright? Now with reading. Reading strategy. Reading for jest. What does it mean? Yes, read it quickly through a text in order to answer a general question. You try to find general information. Decide on the topic, the type of text, or the writer's feeling or opinions. Okay, read the following extract quickly. What type of text is that? This means, for example, you're going to say it's a newspaper article, it's a story, and so on. So pause the video, start reading for yourself, and come back to me. Now we are back. Now we are going to listen to it because some people may have some difficulty reading. So now you are going to listen to it. Try to hold your pencil or your pen and you go word by word with the listening.
Thursday, 19th March. Mom has made some new house rules today. She said she's not going to tidy our bedrooms or make our beds anymore. Her 3 new rules are: rule number 1, we have to make our beds every morning. Rule number 2, we have to put all our clothes away in the wardrobe. Rule number 3, no toys can be left on the floor and we can only play video games when we have finished tidying up. I couldn't understand how my little brother Max took only 5 minutes to tidy his room when it was such a mess. I took 20 minutes to tidy mine. I went to his bedroom and it looked tidy, but when I opened the wardrobe doors, all his clothes and toys fell out on top of me. Mom was very angry, and so was I.
So now, I want to ask you a question. What is the strategy that helped you here in this text? If you want to know, let's go to your activity book, page 5. Strategy check. Take this strategy that will help you to read the text for jest. Use the strategies before you read the text below, alright? We are going to have a text. Which strategy you think is going to help you? Look at the pictures. Read the text quickly to find out what the topic is, or the writer's feelings, read the whole text in detail, read the text quickly for the general meaning. Which one is going to help you? All right? Of course, number one, look at the pictures. And the second one, to read it quickly. And the last one is to read the text quickly for general meaning. Okay? Now we are going to have a text. All right? Read the school report below. Circle the picture of the boy described, and they describe it in the report. All right? Let's listen to it.
Read the school report below and circle the picture of the boy described in the report. Do you think Juan's parents are going to be happy with it?
Juan has progressed quite well this year. He is a very polite, happy pupil and a very popular member of the class. However, he isn't as hard-working as other pupils in the class and sometimes forgets to do his homework. The presentation of his work is always excellent, but sometimes his marks aren't very good because he gets very nervous when we have an exam.
Okay. Do you think his parents are going to be happy with it? And which picture did you choose? Which one? A, B, or C? Yes, the answer is B. Okay. Which adjectives in activity 3 describe one's personality? Go back to it. Try to find the adjectives. Yes. Number one is cheerful. He was also outgoing and lazy and tidy and nervous and unnervous. Okay, these are the adjectives that may describe him. Now we come to the end, and I hope that you reflect on what you do to help around the house. Yes, what you've learned today, try to reflect on it at your home. Try to think of what adjectives would you use to describe your attitude at home, your attitude with your parents, with your brothers and sisters, how you act at home. Remember also that I promised you that you have answers by the end of the video. Here you have the adjectives and the answers of the workbook. Also, here we have more of them. And still, I have the last one is extra material. Use your mobile. All right. Use your mobile. You are going to switch on your camera like this, and you are going to scan the code. And once you scan the code, you are going to go to the site. In this site, you are going to have to learn more about adjectives and their opposites. Also, if you scan this one, you are going to have a game about the lesson. Okay? Thank you very much. I was very happy to be with you. Thank you.